All right, guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. My name is Lavinia. Thank you for coming back. So today we have an unboxing. I'm just getting home from work and I noticed a little package. And this package is from Estee Lauder. So come on in, get your snacks, your drink, and all that, and let's open this box.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now.
Alrighty. So we have a we have a box from Estee Lauder. Okay, you guys know I work for Estee Lauder, so I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, so here's the box. It's a pretty nice size box. So let's open it. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, they packaged this nice. All right, so here's the next portion of the unboxing. This is how they had it packaged, really nice and secure in the box. All right, let's take these corners off. I mean, they packaged it nice so it wouldn't get damaged. It's really nice. And just so you guys know, this is gratis. I did not pay for this, so I'm really excited about that. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? This is a beautiful box. Okay, see the outside says Estee Lauder. Oh my gosh. All right, let's open it together. Oops, something trying to come out. Okay. Estee Lauder. All right, we have 3 products in here. Let's see. All right, we have Repair, which you guys know I love the Advanced Night Repair. That's going to reduce the key size of aging. And now we have Reset, which is the Advanced Night Repair Intense Concentrate. And then we have Revitalize. Okay, that's Revitalizing Supreme Night Moisturizer. So I will just go over this little pamphlet a little bit with you guys. Okay, so I'll talk a little bit about the newest product, which is the Advanced Night Intense Reset Concentrate. So it's really good for your skin, because a lot of times we don't realize that when we're stressed, our skin is stressed. So what does skin stress look like? Irritated, dull, red, and rough. And so goes the age-old problem. Your life stress is layered with one more stress about your stressed-looking skin. Who wants to think about their skin when there is a week of late nights at work or party to prepare for? Okay, how to conquer skin stress. So they're just talking a little bit about how to relieve your skin stress with this new product. Never fear, we're here to visibly reduce irritated, stressed skin with new Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset Concentrate. With a patented anti-irritant, this treatment helps skin recover from visible redness and irritation in just 1 hour, while also helping to strengthen its natural ability to respond to environmental stressors like late nights at work, milestone like weddings and things like that, because you get stressed during those times of your life. Definitely traveling state from state, or international. Your skin gets stressed out, and then of course weather changes. Most of us experience that a lot just because the weather is usually all over the place. This treatment wraps skin in a cocoon of moisture that lasts up to 24 hours and plumps the look of fine dry lines. Your skin is going to feel calmed and look radiant. I like looking radiant, so I'm excited to try this product. I haven't tried it yet. When used over our Star Serum, which of course you guys know is Advanced Night Repair. I love Advanced Night Repair. Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. You'll see an instant wow. So I'm really excited to use this product. I know this new product has, it's concentrated, of course, so that means it's more potent. So it has 15 times hyaluronic acid in it than the Advanced Night Repair. So a little bit goes a long way. But hyaluronic acid, I like to explain to my customers that hyaluronic acid is like a magnet to any product. Any product you put on top of anything that has hyaluronic acid in it, it's going to make that product perform better. So that's one reason why I really love the Advanced Night Repair. I know for me, I've been using Advanced Night Repair now as long as I've been at Estee Lauder, so about 6 months, and I definitely know the difference immediately. Like if I don't get the chance to put Advanced Night Repair on before I do my makeup, I can definitely tell the difference in my skin. So again, I'm really excited to try this Intense Reset Concentrate. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. And who does not want to relieve a little bit of stress? So if I can relieve some stress in my skin, it's just gonna make my skin look even more youthful and glowy and better. So I'm excited to use that. And then also I'm excited. Now I've actually felt this one, the Revitalizing Supreme Night. I haven't tried it on my face, but I have tried it on the back of my skin, on the back of my hand. And when I tell you, this moisturizer, I'm really excited about this moisturizer because it feels so good. So it's going to hydrate your skin also. And you guys, if you don't know, any serum that you use, you have to use a moisturizer on top of it because, I don't know, it's like writing a sentence and not putting a period. You have to finish it. You have to finish your serum with a moisturizer. That's just sealing the deal. It's holding everything in. You don't want to be wasteful of your serum like that. So remember, any kind of serum you use, top it off with a moisturizer, and that's just going to complete that process. So Revitalizing Supreme Night gives the natural collagen production a boost with our latest night cream. All right, so basically, like I said, this night cream is going to revitalize your skin. You're going to have a nice fresh morning glow when you wake up in the morning. It's the dose of hyaluronic acid, which is really good. Hyaluronic acid is a product magnet, and also it helps your skin. It helps your skin hold on to moisture better. Okay, so that's just a few details about these two new products that I am excited to try. So that is it for my unboxing. Stay tuned for my next video, which would be me actually using these products. So that would be me cleansing my skin, and then I will be applying the Intense Concentrate, and then also the new Revitalizing Supreme Night. And then so what I'll do is wash my face, do all that, and then apply these products, and then I'll come back the next morning so you guys can take a quick look at my skin. All right guys, so that is it for my unboxing. Once again, thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate you guys coming back, subscribing to my channel. Okay, so that is it for my unboxing for the new Estee Lauder products. So once again, thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications. Again, my new followers, I see you guys. I appreciate you guys following me. My oldies but goodies, I see you guys. And so yeah, stay tuned to the next video, okay? And remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence.